Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Week 9 housekeeping video. On our agenda today, we're going to talk about the feedback of homework and quizzes. Same thing as the previous 8 weeks, that they are being updated inside the class portal, but I always like to remind everybody each week about that. The Math Resource Center quiz closed at the end of week 3. The feedback on weeks 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8's discussion forum. A reminder about the honor lock practice test. We're getting very close to the end of the course. So if that has not been completed or you haven't resolved any of your honor lock issues, now is the time to get that done. And we'll reiterate that as well. We'll talk about the week 9 discussion forum, what's expected there, go over the rubric that's involved in terms of maximizing your score, midterm exam, a reminder about that, and my availability during the week. All right, same thing as previously, as you're continuing to complete homework, quizzes, etc. Scores are automatically updated to the D2L class portal gradebook. These assignments remain open through the last day of class, and homework is practice until mastery. You can do those problems an unlimited amount of times throughout the course. And then quizzes, up to 3 attempts on it. Best score out of the 3 attempts remain out there. So again, nothing's changed on the feedback schedule. If you need a refresher on enrolling, using, or viewing feedback inside of my stat lab, this is the great video that's out there that I've got that's been there since week 1. Please review that. Reach out with any questions regarding that. Assignment 1.2 closed at the end of week 3. If you go out there this week and say, oops, I forgot to do it, unfortunately, this does not reopen. It is only worth 5 points out of the 1,000 points possible inside the class. And again, since there is manual intervention from the faculty lead's perspective, this is only open the first 3 weeks, and it is in conjunction with the existing NAU's late assignment policy. So again, if you did not complete this, unfortunately, it cannot be redone or resubmitted. Feedback on the first 5 graded discussion forums should be out in the class portal gradebook, as well as the rubric that assessed each component of the grading. If there's questions on it, don't hesitate to send me an email. I'll clarify any expectations or how it was assessed. And just a reminder, unless underneath an ADA accommodation, that previous redos or resubmissions in weeks 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8 are not allowed. So all the other 91% of everything related to homework, quizzes, etc., inside of my stat lab, those items can be done throughout the entire 11 weeks of the course, with the exception of the assignment 1.2, the discussion forums, and the midterm, or excuse me, the final opening week 11. So there are no resubmissions on discussion forums unless it's been stated in your ADA accommodation that I've already addressed previously. Honor lock practice test, if you have not completed this as of yet, I strongly encourage you to take a look at it this week. Your final's coming up within 2 weeks, and there are no extensions or incompletes for lack of getting honor lock not working, because we've addressed this since the beginning of week 1. If you are having issues with your hardware, software, whatever the case may be, reach out to me or reach out to technical support at NAU, and we will assist you with getting that resolved. So you can't come to me on a Sunday night of week 11 at 10 p.m. said, Mike, Mr. Weeman, I can't get into the final exam. What's the password? Or Mike, I can't get into honor lock. That's not going to be grounds for an extension or an incomplete. Excuse me. Go in and review week 1's housekeeping video. I demonstrate the underlying process. In the announcement, there's a video out there that demonstrates the process. Again, if there's questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. All right, last graded discussion forum of the class, week 9, worth 15 points, same format as previously. Doesn't open early, doesn't open late, opens at 12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Mountain Daylight Time, Monday of week 9, closes 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday of week 9. They are not accepted late unless underneath an ADA accommodation, and I've addressed that with you previously. If you're not underneath an ADA accommodation, it's not accepted late, no exceptions on that. Initial post, same format as the previous graded forums, 8 points. You will have a question to answer as well as a calculation to help support it. Initial post has got to be there by Thursday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time. If not, you lose 8 of the 15 points possible. From week 9's homework, you will have that homework problem post worth 1 point. If it's there by Thursday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time, you earn the point, 0 points. Otherwise, you will have the reply to another student or something the instructor has out there in terms of not only doing the calculation, but explaining how you got to the answer, worth 6 points. And we'll cover that again inside the rubric. D2L is the official timekeeper of the discussion forum. So if it shows up 12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Mountain Daylight Time on Friday or beyond, you do not get the points for it. Doing a hello posting for attendance, the placeholders do not count for points. They will be deleted. You must post first before seeing any others, same way as it's been in weeks 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. And the quality of post, again, these placeholders do not count for attendance, nor do they count for points. All right, let's go to week 9's forum here inside the class portal. And we're going to be taking a look at, from week 9's perspective, when do you reject or not really accept? It's called fail to reject. And you're going to see that inside of this initial question that you answer. So research, do what you need to do to answer that initial question. However, to support that question, I would recommend pick a level significance of 0.05, 0.1, etc. Obtain a p-value from some calculation and show in that analysis whether you reject or fail to reject that null hypothesis. By demonstrating both of those components, gets you up to the 8 points on the initial post. Your homework problem post, either done by Thursday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time, earns you the point. If it's there by Thursday at that time, 1 point, 0 point otherwise. And then that reply, not only doing the calculation of that problem to reply, or something the instructor provides, as well as the demonstration of how you got to the answer, get you that 6 points. So let's take a look at the rubric. For those 8 points, answering that initial question and the demonstration of that calculation gets you the 8 points there. Part of it missing, falling into this category, posted Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Friday after 12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time falls in that category. No points are earned. If you do your homework problem post by Thursday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time, 1 point, 0 points otherwise. And then to your reply, not only is the calculation correct, but you explained in verbiage how you got to that answer, get you the 6 points. If it's partially there or out in left field, somewhere in here, if it's not done by Sunday or you're missing one or the other, falls into the 0 points. So the 8 plus 1 plus 6 gets you to the 15 points possible on that discussion forum. Going back to the PowerPoint here. Reminder about the midterm, this remains open through Sunday, week 11, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time. Only one attempt, it's not proctored, and again, it's accepted through credit through the end of week 11, Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time. So strongly recommend before you take the midterm, if you haven't as of yet, do that practice midterm exam in conjunction with the Excel template provided in week 5's module. And a reminder about my availability during the week. Monday through Friday, I try to get back with you within 24 hours. Email's the best way to get a hold of me. If you send something after Saturday morning, if it's Saturday afternoon through Sunday, you may not get a response until Monday. You also have the option of Google phone, but the email is the best way and it's going to get you your fastest response. Have a great week 9. We'll see you in week 10's housekeeping video.